When we think of deploying applications on Azure environment, two options come to the mind. First is virtual machine. Second is deploying your application inside a container like Docker. Virtual machine gives you the maximum control. When virtual machine, you are just getting a virtual machine which you pay for monthly. You are responsible for deploying the operating system. You are responsible for deploying the security patches. You are responsible to deploy your applications. Whereas if you deploy your application in a container on Docker, you lightly couple your application to the Azure environment. There are other options in Azure. They are called Azure App Services. In Azure App Services, you can deploy the websites, you can write websites in C#, Java, Node.js, and you can using app service, you can deploy it on Azure. You can deploy your RESTful APIs on Azure. And also you can deploy web jobs. These are background processes which may be triggered by some message in the queue. Also, you can deploy your mobile applications. So benefit of using Azure App Services is you don't care about the operating system. You don't care about the security patches. That is taken by the cloud team. You just write your application using the languages you like, C#, Java, Node.js, and you just want to pay based on the usage. Let's do an exercise. Let's create our first web app. We'll create a new web app and we can use learning resource. I'm using the sandbox. Let's keep the name. I'm giving website demo 1213. We'll keep everything other defaults. Next to deployment. So here we can set up the continuous integration. I'm not setting up. There's a network setting inside. I'm not setting up. So here we are on the final page, and it seems we are using the sandbox. It doesn't give us option to create the web app, but it shows us all the steps that we can perform. So thank you for watching this video.